guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY snow globe. Let's get right to it. The materials you need for this DIY snow globe is a jar, clear Elmer's glue, a toy of some sort, hot glue, washi tape, glitter, and a cup of water. You're also going to need a stick to mix with. Let's get started. The first step is to pour your water into your jar. Now you can add in some clear Elmer's glue into your water. Just like that. And now you're going to need to add a little bit more water into your jar. Just like this. And you're going to fill it up with water until you reach the top of your jar. Right, now that I've reached the top of my jar, I'm going to use my stick and mix it so the glue and water combine. Just like this, you're going to just continue mixing it till it's completely clear, just like this. And now you can move your jar aside, get your lid and some sort of toy, and make sure your toy can fit in your lid, just like this. Just go in the middle, just like that. And how you're going to put it on is you're going to use your hot glue, and you're going to apply some hot glue on the bottom of your toy. Some hot glue. Now you're going to put it in the middle of your lid, just like this, and hold it there for about 30 seconds. After you've held it there for 30 seconds, it shouldn't come off your lid. And make sure you put it in the inside of your lid and not on the outside part. Now you can move this aside. Now that you have your water back with you, you're going to start to add some glitter. I'm going to first add in this silver glitter I have. And you can add as much glitter as you want. I'll be adding two different colors, gold and silver. I have this gold and silver sparkles. And then I also have this stars type of glitter that I'll be adding in. And as I said, you can add as much as you want. I'll be adding those 3 glitters. And now you can get your stick and mix the glitters. And it should look something like this. I think I'm going to add in a couple more star glitter. And I'm going to continue mixing it. So all the glitter is everywhere. You know, it will look really pretty with all the different colors you use. And as I said, I used gold stars, gold glitter, and silver glitter. Now that you have your glitter in your jar, you can move your jar aside and you can bring back your lid. And after it's set, you might have a lid that says something or something that you don't like there. And you can use your washi tape to cover the bottom of your lid. So I'm just going to get my washi tape and decorate the bottom of my lid right here with this silver colored tape that I have. I'm just gonna put it on just like this, and I'm going to continue putting on my silver washi tape until I cover the entire lid. After you have finished applying your tape onto your lid, you can get your jar back. And as you can see, my characters are still on and my tape is on, and I have all the glitter in my jar with the water. And I'm just going to close my jar just like this. And make sure you close it very tight so the water doesn't spill. You can shake it. And there you have your snow globe. Have the water, my character, and I have all the glitter, and there you have your snow globe. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!